XENEA is a peer-reviewed Layer 1 EVM blockchain with integrated decentralized storage for resilient data management. It also provides decentralized storage solutions. So today we'll be talking about the XENEA airdrop. I'm Crypto Insider and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, ensure to smash the subscribe button and also share. If you've been watching my videos, thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe to get as much information from this channel as possible. I also have a Telegram channel where I post a lot of alpha. So today we're talking about the XENEA Wallet Airdrop. Let's dive in. So there'll be a link and a code on my description, so which if you click leads you to Play Store for it to be able to download the XENEA wallet. So this is how it looks like, so you don't get to download scam apps. So you see XENEA wallet on your Play Store. I don't think it's so available on the App Store currently. So here you have to input your invite code. So my invite code will also be in my description. I'll also be giving a chance to others to make use of their invite code. So once you register, drop your invite code in the comment section and I will reshare on my Telegram channel so others can also use your invite link to register. So pasting my invite link here. So my invite link will be in the description channel. So since I don't have an account yet, but I have an account, I'm trying to create another one for the purpose of this video. Let's sign up. So you'll be authenticating with your email. So we're done signing up. So this is the first task that will be in your dashboard when you sign up. Subscribe to get 500 gems. So let's go get it. So I just subscribed to their YouTube channel, done the first task. So I say thank you for following. This is the bonus, my total rewards. So this is the XENEA Wallet Airdrop. So it's a wallet and they want to give out tokens to people who interact with their wallet. So this is not a Telegram airdrop, this is not a test net. So if you notice in my channel, I talk about a lot of airdrops and test nets. So whether Telegram, whether app, and whether a node, any of it. So do well to diversify. We know that a lot are going to pay, but put your eggs in different baskets so that you get as much as possible whenever all these airdrops list. So they are currently in season 2. This is the amount of gems I've earned. This is my profile over here. This is my profile over here. So these are the various tasks we have to do. You follow the X to get these points, then claim daily rewards. So going over to missions. So these are the various tasks that you have to do. So one is integrate your Gauze account. So in my Nourish protocol video, I taught us how to create a Gauze account. So I'm showing us how to integrate it. Then create a Zilli account if you don't have an integrated. Join their XENEA official Telegram, which I've joined. Join the Discord. Follow them on X. Then invite more friends. So when you invite a friend, you get 1,000 points, 10 spin. Then there's always a daily quiz with answers. So I'm posting daily quiz on my Telegram channel with the answer. So do well to click on my Telegram channel in the description to join. So mining is not available currently. So except if you've gotten up to 7,891 gems, then you can start mining. So they currently have 307,000 miners. So let's go back to the rewards. So over here at rewards, you see the leaderboard. This is my current position in the leaderboard. So these are the latest activities, the various points I've gotten. Then settings, here setup. Also do well to set up your 2FA so you don't get your app hacked. So this is it. Over at profile, do well to integrate this account, your Zilli, your Gauze, and your chat3 accounts. So that's it for the XENEA airdrop. So do well to perform all the tasks possible, invite friends, so over here at invite more friends, you click, you get to see your referral link and then your invite code where you share to as much friends as possible. You can also drop it in my comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe. Every link you need will be in the description. Do well to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.